Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. How are you? I'm in my kitchen, where I always am when I do these lives, actually almost always. Where are you? Where are you right now? Because there's absolutely no one in the audience. Two people. Wait, here's Lauren. Lauren, you're in the audience and you're in my kitchen, so it's nice to see you. I'm gonna wait for people to show up before I dive into this exciting recipe. Hi, Erin. How are you? You look great. I can't really see you. Anyway, tonight I am gonna give you a little preview of what I'm gonna make. It is an open-faced peanut butter s'more. Look at this thing. It's so freaking adorable. Look at it. Looks like you'd want to float on this on a pool. Look at this. If this looks good to you, send hearts right now. Sniff your screen. Tell me you want to try this because I'm going to tell you how to make this thing. It couldn't be easier. It's 120 calories of pure, complete yum-maliciousness. Now, in addition to making these s'mores, I'm going to tell you what else we're going to do tonight. Are you ready? I am giving away another one of the fabulous and fun sticker animals. Tonight, for your viewing pleasure, we have Percy the Puffin. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you, just to show you how little I actually know about birds, I thought this was a penguin. Lauren, are you the one that told me it was not a penguin?
Yes.
All right, so I was like, well, it's black and white, and then I realized penguins usually wear tuxedos. This little guy is not in a tuxedo.
He's way too long legs.
He has long legs. Right, because penguins have short legs like me. I should know. I'm basically a penguin, but I don't wear a tuxedo. Anyway, so I was like, I'm gonna send this to my friend Dana, who I absolutely was like, Dana, you're gonna know what kind of bird this is. And then she said, that's a puffin. And I'm like, of course it's a puffin because it's the same bird that's on the cereal. Barbara's Puffins, Barbara's Bakery Puffins, right? So are you with me here, right? So this guy looks like the bird on the cereal. It may, in fact, be the bird from the cereal box. I don't know. He hasn't told me. But I made him out of stickers. I named him Percy. I signed it, and I'm giving it away to one of you tonight, whoever wants Percy. Just let us know. Say, hey, I love Percy. Percy's cute. I want to hang Percy on my wall. Be creative with what you do with Percy, and he may be yours. Yes. Okay. Back to the recipe. Tonight's recipe could not be easier. It uses 3 ingredients. By the way, if you like these recipes, there's a very good chance, almost like a fantastic, almost 100% chance, they're gonna show up in a Hungry Girl daily email in an upcoming week pretty soon. So if you don't wanna miss recipes and if you wanna get a lot more recipes and tips and tricks, this is what you should do. Sign up for Hungry Girl daily emails. Go to hungry-girl.com and sign up. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you what you need to make this fabulous 120 calorie s'more. First ingredient we need, graham crackers. This is just your plain old standard honey flavored graham cracker. Then the MVP of my kitchen these days, powdered peanut butter. If you don't know what powdered peanut butter is, it's basically peanut flour. You can use it for so many things. It smells like peanut butter. It's basically defatted peanuts turned into like a flour. If you mix it with water, you could turn it into like a peanut butter spread or whatever. You can turn it into, you can use it in smoothies. So tonight we're using that, and of course another MVP in the kitchen, chocolate chips. These are Lily's. They are no sugar added. These are vegan. We have a lot of vegan products in the house because give it up for the vegan in the house. Lauren! Woohoo! She's not even clapping for herself. The other ingredient, mini marshmallows. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. It really couldn't be easier. You just need your little measuring spoons.
Why aren't you dressed like a s'more tonight?
I wanted to be. I don't have any s'more. Well, who's outing me? Is it you?
You said you're not dressed like the recipe tonight.
I'm not. Who said that?
Denise.
Denise, I'm so sorry. I know. I think now you're making me feel terrible. I'm sorry, I'm dressed not like a s'more. Who knows? Maybe this is a rainbow s'more. But the shirt's cute. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is take a half tablespoon of your powdered peanut butter, put it in a little microwave safe ramekin of sorts. That was a half tablespoon for those of you who are not paying attention. And now we're making like a fun little chocolate peanut butter drizzle situation. We are gonna take a tablespoon of hot water, a full tablespoon of hot water. throw it in there like so. I wish I could see this on the screen, but I'm looking at your comments. And then you're gonna mix it. I like to mix with the back of a spoon. It's easier because when you have small amounts of ingredients, if you try to use like the regular part of the spoon, the spoony part of the spoon, I don't know, it's too clunky. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you mix that up, and now we wanna melt this together. So you throw this in your Hello Kitty microwave or the microwave of your choice, and you just throw it in there for about 10 seconds. Keep an eye on it because you just want to see when it's melted. It just spins around. This is total mad scientist right here. You're watching it. Regina, hi Regina. I know you love the cheese powder, so do I. Okay, look, it's all bubbly, bubblicious. Now you mix it up so it'll kind of start to look chocolatey. Can you see in there? Lauren, am I getting a good view in there? Mm-hmm. Ooh, thank you for liking the iced coffee. All right, so here we have our yummy chocolate peanut butter drizzle situation. Okay, you're done with that. You let this sit and relax because it has like a minute to chill for no other reason other than the fact that we're gonna be assembling our s'more. You know, I was really bummed. I opened up my packet of graham crackers and a lot of them were not intact, but you want to take an intact one.
Do you know the difference between PB2 and PB Fit?
PB2 and PB Fit are pretty much, in my opinion, the same thing. So whatever you get your mitts on, you could use. So I have my graham cracker, and now you are going to carefully, or not so carefully, place 12 mini marshmallows. I love, this plate is so funny because it's like balancing on the plate. So just strategically place 12 mini marshmallows. I don't know if you can see me. No, I'm going out of the wrong way. I'm going out of frame. What's wrong with me?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pull it back a little bit.
Wait, pull it back.
A little towards you.
A little towards me. But it's going to be on the floor. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5,
No,
6,
it's good now.
7, 8, 9, 10. You could brush up on your math skills. 11, 12. Oh, I'm gonna show you a fun trick you can do when I'm done with this. You're gonna pass out. It has to do with marshmallows as well, so Lauren knows what I'm gonna do. Okay, now, carefully place your graham cracker with your balanced marshmallows into your Hello Kitty or other microwave, the microwave of your choice, and then put it in for about 10 or 15 seconds. You're gonna watch the marshmallows blow up. They're gonna blow up. Keep your sauce nice and saucy over here, your chocolate peanut butter goo. They're blowing up. They are blowing up. This is insane, people.
Lots of people make the coffee. That
You won't put, well, thank you for making the coffee. These marshmallows are out of control. They look like snowmen. They're trying to escape from the graham cracker. All right, can you see this? So now you're gonna wanna drizzle the goo. This is the fun part. 1, 2, 3, drizzle away. You can turn it into a beautiful design, or you could just slop it all over the place. It does not matter. Can you see? You getting a good view of this?
Yeah, that's a really good.
Does it look delicious?
Mm-hmm.
It's 120 calories. This is the money shot, baby. Right here, right there. Who wants me to try it? Please just beg me to try it because I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna take a bite. I'll try it. Mmm. Ooey gooey marshmallow. I have to tell you, powdered peanut butter, full on magical. You know why? Because it dissolves and it tastes creamy. It tastes like regular peanut butter with a fraction of the fat. With the gooey chocolate that you've melted up in there on the marshmallows, you don't need to turn it into a full s'more sandwich, although you could fold it. I like to eat it open-faced. It lasts longer. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Delicious. What do you guys think? What do you think? Questions, comments? I'm gonna show you a fun trick in a second. Please don't forget about Percy. He's a little puffin that needs a home. Right now he's sitting in my kitchen and he's like, please tell me that you want me and take me home. All right. Do you like Percy? Send hearts. Send hearts, send likes, blah, blah, blah. All right. Now I'm gonna show you a fun trick that I discovered with an item that I have in the house. Easter was 2 days ago. Does anyone out there have Peeps? If you have
Nikki
Peeps,
just asked that. She said, "Mine is Peeps and
Nikki,
marshmallows."
Listen to me. If you have Peeps in your house, I'm going to show you something fun that you can do. Are you ready?
Also, tell them the recipe will be posted at the end of the live.
Oh, the recipe is going to be posted at the end of the live. We will always answer your questions in the comments. The recipes are going to show up in the daily emails. I am probably saying the wrong thing, but if I'm forgetting anything, someone tell me what to say. Hold on, I'm going to go get my Peep. I am human, so I love Peeps. It's amazing that I've had this in the house for like weeks and there's only one Peep missing. That is full on self-control, people. Do you agree? I think so. So the other day I took a Peep. Dana, why did you say yuck? That's rude.
All right.
I took a Peep. You can't really take Dana anywhere. Let's be honest. All right, I took a Peep and watch what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's sticking to me. This is not, all right, this is one of the broken graham crackers. So you're always like, what do I do with the broken graham crackers? I'm gonna tell you what you do with the broken graham crackers. You put a little Peep on it, you throw it in the microwave, and you see what happens. Do you know what's gonna happen to the Peep?
Can you do a recipe recap after this?
Yes, I'll do a recipe recap. Wait, the bunny is exploding. Look at this. Ta-da!
So good.
It's an exploding Peep bunny. Ooh, uh-oh. Call an ambulance. The bunny fell off the raft, if you will. Anyway, yes, you can make s'mores with Peeps. They're really fun. They're super cute. It's a good activity if you have kids in the house and you have nothing to do with your kids and your kids are really bored. Put the Peep in the microwave and see what happens. All right, recipe recap. Are you ready? Get your pen, get your paper, put it in your phone or your notes. You need a full sheet of graham cracker. You need half tablespoon of powdered peanut butter, a teaspoon of chocolate chips, a tablespoon of warm water. Mix those things together, melt that as your little sauce in the microwave. Then you're gonna drizzle that on top of your full graham cracker sheet, which has 12 mini marshmallows that you throw in the microwave and melt for about 10 or 15 seconds. And there you go. And it looks like this. It looks like this. These delicious items. By the way, if you don't have these ingredients in the house, who's using Instacart? Are you using Instacart? I am using Instacart. I think Instacart is great, but I have to tell you, mostly for amusement purposes, because today I had my favorite Instacart moment. I ordered whole wheat flour because I'm trying to make more recipes and I only have regular flour in the house. So I wanted whole wheat flour, and as my shopper was shopping, I got a notification, and I'm not kidding you. It said, can we replace whole wheat flour with Cocoa Puffs? Not kidding in any way. They recommended that I replace my whole wheat flour with Cocoa Puffs. I said no. Maybe that was a mistake. Maybe I should have said yes to the Cocoa Puffs and made a Cocoa Puff recipe. Maybe I should have done that. I don't know. Where can I buy powdered peanut butter? You can buy it on Amazon and probably most supermarkets. Probably, I think. I mean, where do you guys get your powdered peanut butter? I get it everywhere. In California, it's like everywhere. But this is it. This is the s'more.
Peeps are pretty controversial, I guess.
People are upset about Peeps?
Some people like Peeps and some people don't like. It's either they like them or they hate them.
Oh, I'm sorry if you don't like I hope I didn't offend anybody with my bunny Peep. Wait, if you don't like Peeps, I'm sure you like Percy, because Percy is just friendly to everybody and everybody wants Percy. I guess that's it.
It's 14 minutes.
14 minutes. I'm gonna go because it's time. I gotta go. You gotta go. There's things to do. I want you to stay safe. I want you to stay healthy. If you have any desire to win Percy, let me know. You can win him. And if you have any recommendations for what you want to see me make here, just let me know, because I am here for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside. I am Lisa Lilly, and also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.